Hey everyone, this is Ed from Tech Talk. In today's video, I'm going to show you really quick how to create a restore point on your Windows 11 machine. It's really simple. Just follow along and it'll take us less than 2 minutes. So what we're going to do first is you can start typing in here advanced, and usually you'll see the view advanced system settings pop up, and then you'll see this. If you have trouble with that, just right click the start flag, go up to systems. Once systems opens, go right over here to advanced system settings and you're in. So the next thing we need to do is just go ahead and hit system protection, and we need to go ahead and create or make sure we're allowing a restore point. So we're going to click configure right here and just make sure you turn on system protection. You can increase the size that you want to allow, and then just hit apply and OK. Now we create the restore point. So now we're going to come down here where it says create a restore point right now. And we're going to click create, and we're going to name the restore point. I'm just going to call it restore 825 24, and I'm going to go ahead and say create. And as easy as that, you've restored your computer to a to the current time. So now if you want to utilize that, you'll come right back into this same location. You'll click System Restore, and it'll say Restore System Files and Settings, recommended restore. And then you can say choose a different one, and you click Next. And then you can select whatever restore point you want to use, and you're good to go. All right, my friends, I hope this helps. Please consider hitting like and subscribe, and have a great night. All right, bye.